This is my first time coming for a meditation sessions actually. Meditation is very new to me. I'm really enjoying it. I am able to see a lot of difference in the past 7 days. Basically, my thinking process has changed a bit. I won't say completely. A little it has changed. Uh, I used to get very emotional. On my first day of meditation, I started weeping. I really don't know why that happened. But as and when I continued, I can see that it's a part of meditation. It does happen to everyone. Yesterday, when I usually get into this black space, I don't know what meditation is, but as and when you people guide us to concentrate in between this nose tip and all that, between the eyebrows, I generally go blank, and like others, I also get lots of unwanted thoughts of what happened in the past and what is happening now and all the problems. It does surface up, but I try to get over it somehow. Just I don't know how helpful it. I went to, it was complete blank, and suddenly it was more of a space. I imagined myself in a space without stars and the sun, and my brain immediately it is asking me, where are the stars and where is the sun? You are in space, you are supposed to see them. Then suddenly I felt, no, this is not right. Where am I'm not doing it right. And I started to think, no, this is not good. Why am I not seeing the stars and the sun? I am at space, this is my place. Why am I not seeing it? And immediately, within fraction of seconds maybe, my brain started to get back to me and saying that no, you don't have to see the stars and sun. You can just be here. You don't have to see that. Just be yourself. It is not must that you should see everything in the right place. Things can go wrong, but you are not responsible for it. So just accept it and remain calm. This message, when it conveyed to me, I can connect it with many instances in my life. And thanks to all of you for this beautiful session. Thank you once again.